Hey guys, I am at Skyridge Display Village here on the Gold Coast, and I thought I will showcase this beauty right here from Neptune Homes. It's the Miami 45 and it's got that Mediterranean modern vibe to it. So let's go and check it out. How cool is this stone feature? I love it because you noticed it actually on the outside of the facade. So here we go. You walk straight in and you're looking straight up at a void that is curved. So already you can see all the sexy curves in this home. This one here is your formal sitting area. Lovely high ceilings in here. And then you walk down the corridor and you just notice straight away, I mean, look at the light coming in, but you notice this beautiful floating staircase. I'm actually really liking the black steel, like the contrast against the white. And then you've got a little courtyard out there. Then you keep walking through here is your dining area. And then a feature that's pretty cool is the sunken lounge. It almost gives me that cool 70s vibe because I can see you hanging around with friends. Feels very cozy. Again, the curve just over here. Now let's quickly check out outside the alfresco area. So you open these doors and you're outside. They've set up a little lounge area here. And then the pool is pretty cool because you've got curves on the pool as well. Then we come across and there's another little separate area here, which is your dining. So through here you can have breakfast, like a nice lunch out here, walk straight into the kitchen. What do you guys think so far? Now, I'm loving how they've put these tiles on the range hood. You've got integrated fridge. And then something that's really nice, and I want to do this in my own home, is through here. This is where you keep your toaster, your kettle. I like it how it's all hidden because, let's be honest, they don't look very pretty when you have, them out on the counter. Through here, you've got your pantry. There is also a double sink in there, which is great. So you can do all your washing and put all the dirty dishes in that corner. And then over here, how cool is this? I originally thought this was for water, but it's a coffee machine. So that's pretty snazzy. 2 ovens, and then you've got a grill, storage space. Let's keep going. Okay, so through here is our first bedroom. So bedroom number 1. Again, they've put curves in here, so the cabinetry has curves. Nice high ceilings, probably run about 2.75 meters high. And then look at the laundry. This is pretty cool. So what I love is over here, you've got, what do they call these? Like a steamer. Anyway, it irons your clothes. So, I mean, that's pretty cool because I hate ironing. I mean, who doesn't? And then here you've got a bathroom. Now this bathroom has a shower because it's useful for the bedrooms that just around the corner. Now guys, should we go upstairs and have a look at the remainder of the home? Let's do it. Here we are upstairs. Now there's a nice sitting area here. This is cool because we've got a TV here, so a nice place to just chillax. But look at the curves. So this is when we walked in, we saw the void and it's got the curves here, and you've got a balcony that you can access through these doors. Oh, bedroom number 2. Let's go have a look. Again with the same sexy cabinetry with the curves. You've got your own ensuite through there. It does have a shower. So this is bedroom number 2. Let's keep going. Entering the 3rd bedroom. I might get you guys to go in and have a quick look. So same setup as the room that we've just looked at, and it's got also the ensuite. Love it. All right, come on guys, it's a big house. Let's keep going down the corridor. Bedroom number 4. So with the curves again, and just before you enter the ensuite, you've got this gorgeous curved wall there. And across this area, so you've got a can't even talk today. Your linen cupboard, thank you. And then if you keep walking down here, this is your study office space. It's actually quite nice because it's cocooned, so I like it. Almost have like a little sitting area in there. And then, okay, let's go and check out your master bedroom. So come in. Through here is your walk-in robe. Very spacious, and what I love, it's all closed cabinets, so you don't see the mess. That's lovely. Across here is your bedroom. Now, very, very spacious. I love the curved wall through there. And if you picture yourself, you know, picking this design, and you've got a massive window through here, so you can have beautiful views of the ocean if you're lucky, and mountain views too, so it's beautiful. And then across here is your bathroom. So you've got separate toilet. I personally would add a door in here to the toilet, but you got a cool bathtub, huge actually, it's like a little mini swimming pool in your bathroom. And then you've also got a double shower come around, because these are the same as the kitchen, and also all the bathroom have the cool flute tiles. So that is it, guys. I mean, what do you think of this home? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you've missed my previous videos, head onto my page and have a look at them, but thanks for watching.